Hey guys, Keith from Young Electric here. Today we're in beautiful downtown Amherstburg, working on a historic design build. Not sure totally what we can disclose on this job. We have a couple different things going on. What I can tell you is we have a mixture of commercial buildings down below, and then up here, well, we have walls, is what we'll say for now. So this project in particular, contractor we've done work for in the past reached out to us, Bencon Construction. They had paired up with a group of investors who acquired this building. But our owners of this building, our contractor, had a big vision that they wanted us to be a part of. They didn't know what they needed. Owner wasn't sure what they needed. So we kind of fit the bill for both, right? They felt comfortable with us and our ideas and the budget we could bring them to help bring their vision to life. So in this particular part of the project, this is where we started, is upstairs. We're mounting boxes, we're getting locations. Locations are the most important part of the job, especially in a design build job. We don't have a piece of paper that we're reading off of, right? This is our customer's vision, our contractor's vision, and my interpretation of their vision, right? So it's very important that in this stage, they choose what they want, just to make this project go as seamless as possible. I can't say a whole lot, but what I will drop on you guys is this is the finished ceiling, which, how sick does that look? All right guys, here we are. We're on the main floor now. Now this is a tenanted space. The design process is different, the setup's different. So what we have involved here is I need to coordinate a design between the owner of the building, the tenant who's gonna occupy the space, and the contractor who's gonna do the work. So we haven't really done a whole lot down here yet. We're in the prelim phases of design. They know who's gonna move in here. The person who's moving in though, they now need to figure out exactly what they need in this space before we get started. So guys, now we're down in the basement. This is a spot where right now it might smell a little funky, but there's gonna be some real magic happening down here. As you can see, we have these historic brick walls that are gonna stay exposed. Less is more in here, guys, honestly. Like, we're gonna have a couple plugs on the wall, but we don't wanna disturb the beauty of what we see. Can't really disclose fully what this is gonna be, but I'm excited to help this become a productive area, we'll call it. All right guys, so you can see, we're super preliminary right now. We're gonna keep this job rolling. The next video you see, I'm sure we're gonna have a lot more progress done. Big undertaking for everyone involved. Something everyone's gonna hang their hat on and be proud of when we're done. So thanks for coming along with me. We're gonna catch you on the next one.